drop it in. Appreciate it as always. Again, Origins football ending on the bay now. We're on the Texans, Colts, Jags. So jump on in, EPK. Good luck in Chronicles of Narnia baseball. Alright, Gleber. For the Orioles, Francisco out of 99. Rizzo, Crusade, Giancarlo Stanton. That one's out of 149. Lindor, Buster Posey, Bubbles, Spectre style, for the Giants. That one's out of 99. Jimmy Sherfy and Mickey Mantle. Austin Hayes. Bellinger, Harper, Austin Hayes again, Trout, Spectra, Dominic Smith, Reese Hoskins, Studio, Trout. Luis Gohara. Acuna out of 199 out of Classics for the Braves. Verdugo. Ozzie Albies. Triple jersey for the Yankees, Didi Gregorius out of Spectra. That one's out of 75. Adams and Granite. Trout. Arrieta. Nick Williams. Ahmed Rosario for the Mets. That one's out of 299. Bryce Harper. Chronicles auto of Cameron Gallagher. What is that on me? Orange. For the Royals. Machado, Kingery. Hayes. Max Scherzer out of 199 for the Nationals. Maybe. Max Scherzer. Cole Hamels. Rizzo. Red, Brian Anderson for the Marlins. That one's out of 99. Tucker Barnhart Select Auto for the Reds. That one is not numbered. Jordan Hicks, Ahmed Rosario. Hayes, Bueller, Devers, Acuna, Brian Anderson. For the Padres, Christian Villanueva, select rookie auto. For the Padres, Christian Villanueva. Gleber, Eric Fetty out of 99 for the Nationals. All right, one down. Ready to go. Austin Hayes. Nolan Arenado out of 299 for the Rockies. Ryan McMahon. Judge. He's a little bowed on the prison. Orange. Trout. That one's out of 199. For the Yankees, out of 199, Tyler Wade, Chronicles autograph. Hoskins, Frazier. Fowler, Hayes, Mookie Betts, Acuna, Miguel Andujar, Spectra, Paul Blackburn, Fowler, Lindor, Bellinger, Gohara, Rhys Hoskins, Gleber, Brian Anderson. For the Dodgers, DJ Peters autograph. I don't know that guy. DJ Peters, Panini autograph. Walker Bueller, Gleber. Saints, Giants, and Jets ending now in Origins. Austin Hayes. Ozzie Albies out of 99. Gleber. J.P. Crawford. Rafael Devers. Jumbo jersey out of Prestige. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. That's not numbered. Max Fried Chicken, Ryan McMahon. Trout. Devers out of 199 for the Red Sox. Our first Ohtani, Prestige. Rhys Hoskins. Lindor, Chris Bryant, Verdugo, and Ahmed Rosario. Walker Bueller, Gleber Torres, Rhys Hoskins, Crusade Gleber Torres. The Yankees out of 299. Judge. And a Prism autograph of Zach Granite for the Twins. Somebody said they want some Twins action. They got a Zach Granite Prism auto. Albies Rosario. Alright. 2 down, 2 to go. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! All right. Fowler. Out of 299, Carlos Correa for the Astros. Robles. Manny Machado, Crusade Red. It's out of 199. Trout. Manny Machado, Pink. It's out of 75 for the Orioles. Seager, Flexen. Rosario. Out of 199 for the Phillies, Nick Williams. Acuna. Rosario, Crawford. Oh, patches, pink, triple threat, Nick Williams for the Phillies. You got 2 colors, 2 colors, 1 color for the Phillies. It's out of 49. Rizzo, Willie Calhoun. Cisco Thong Song. Pujols. Rizzo. Cody Bellinger. Crusading. Out of 149. Oh, 150 points. That'll be random at the end of the break. Dominic Smith. Albies. J.D. Davis. Thames. All the Albies out of 49 for the Braves. Trout. Devers. Acuna. For the Minnesota Twins out of 199, Felix, George, or Jorge. For the Twins, Felix. Felix got Acuna. Devers. Bader, Stanton, Trout, Posey, Kyle Farmer, Teal, I guess, I don't know. Kyle Farmer for the Dodgers. That one's numbered out of 299. Max Fried Chicken, Verdugo, Rosario. Dominic Smith, Andujar, Machado, Goldschmidt, Correa. Ozzie Albies, on-card rookie reserve signature for the Braves. That one is numbered out of 25. Alright. One to go. Albies, Crisale, Correa, Verdugo, Willie Adams, my buddy, my old friend, Germain Marquez for the Rockies, Chronicles autograph. Granite Machado. McCutchen. Bellinger. Donaldson. Harper. Juan Soto for the Nationals, red. It's numbered out of 99. Matt Carpenter, Spectra, Mickey Mantle, Reese Hoskins. Correa, Nolan Arenado out of 199 for the Rockies. Sale, Rizzo, Farmer. This guy again. Triple jersey, Nick Williams for the Phillies. That one's numbered out of 199 this time. Trout, Willie Adams. Pink, Scott Kingery out of 25 for the Phillies. Cespedes, Acuna, Shohei Ohtani. Another one of this guy, Felix George Jorge for the Twins. This one's not numbered. Kingery, Andujar. Shohei Ohtani studio style. Devers, Scherzer, Albies, Austin Hayes, Trout. Med Rosario jersey on-card auto for the Mets, Spectra style. It's not numbered, but Med Rosario. Ahmed Rosario. Scherzer. Trey Turner out of 199 for the Nationals. Shohei Ohtani. Crusade Cody Bellinger. It's out of 99. Altuve Pink. Cal Ripken for the Orioles. That one is numbered out of 75. And Fetty and Ichiro. Alright, we do have random off the points, so bear with me for 1 second here. You need to be awake. Alright, come on over. We're going to roll the dice. We do not do twos or threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goes to the Nationals. Nationals get the points. Alright. Up next, Origin.